Hello guys, today we're going to make a review about the topics that we saw this week from vocabulary and spelling. So please repeat after me. Clown. C-L-O-W-N. Clown. Ringmaster. R-I-N-G-M-A-S-T-E-R. Ringmaster. Artist. A-R-T-I-S-T. Artist. Carpenter. C-A-R-P-E-N-T-E-R. Carpenter. Writer. W-R-I-T-E-R. Writer. Square. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. Triangular. T-R-I-A-N-G-U-L-A-R. Triangular. Wife. W-I-D-E. Wife. Long. L-O-N-G. Long. Gardener. G-A-R-D-E-N-E-R. Gardener. Now we're going to practice with another pictures. So in this time, you have to tell me which of the pictures is a pentagon. You have to choose it and you have to cross it with your fingers on the screen. Choose between these two. What is a pentagon? All right, this is a pentagon, guys. Well done. Now we're going to pass to another exercise. Which of the pictures is a taster? Somebody just asked me what was a taster. So do you remember? Of course, that is a taster. Well done, guys. Now we're going to choose between these two. Which of these pictures is tricks? Which one of these pictures represent the word tricks? Great! Well done, guys. Now we're going to make another one. Which of these pictures is a parallel? Do you remember? You can do it, guys. Choose between these two. What is a parallel? Great! Well done. Now we have the last one. Which of these pictures is an architect? Which of these two is an architect? This or this, this or this. Okay, well done, guys. This has been everything for today. Thank you, guys. Please remember to ask me if you have any doubt. Repeat the video to practice and to have fun. See you on Monday.